Hello everybody! We're doing another 360 walk with Ma, and that's my Ma over there, heading over that big tree stump. Hope you like and subscribe if you enjoy these things. We are out in Cultus Lake, so we're actually going to look at the lake. Take a look around. Oh, by the way, anytime you want, you can actually hit pause and look around after you hit pause. So give that a try. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, let's carry on. Hey Ma, what did you find?
It was born in 1298.
Born in 1298.
Yeah. Born in 1298. And it lived near, most of its life near Haida Gwaii. Moved to Pitt Meadows in 1984, nice community, and decided to retire to Cultus Lake Park. There you go.
Take a look up there, guys. Yeah, if you're looking around, you can see the lake over here. We got Cultus Lake Adventure Land. We'll take a look at that next video, so stay tuned for that. Here, have an adventure. Where are you going? That's pretty scary. Hi. Uh-oh, we're digging a ditch. We gotta catch up to Ma. Let's go do that. Yeah, you got bird feet, bear feet. Someone came in here and wore bare feet. Ma, no bare feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Duck. I don't know if you noticed, this is made out of recycled rubber. It's kind of nice and soft. So if you fell on this, it wouldn't hurt.
You just jiggled them to death.
I don't think so. The stabilization is really cool on this thing. That's one thing I love about the 360 cameras. Where do you want to go, Ma?
Going down here.
All right.
Somebody out there kayaking. Somebody out there board. Paddle, not paddleboard. Paddleboarding. Oh yeah.
Oh, are we going in this thing?
Yep, the picnic room. Like you can see right up at the top. Very cool.
Aren't they allowed to go right up to the top? Okay, long GoPro, long pole.
If you could rent paddleboard. Paddleboats. That would be fun.
So I guess you can do a lot of rentals out here. Over at the boat rental area and ice cream shop.
Ooh.
Let's take a quick look over there, Ma. Before we
Looks like the concession's closed.
Yeah. So let's give these guys an idea of what they can find when they come out here. Main Beach Concession. You can get some mini donuts as well. Single scoop, $5. Double scoop, $7. Main Beach boat rental. Kind of neat. And then you got that purple home right there.
Imagine those are rentals.
Could be, yeah.
Fun to rent one of those paddle boats in the summer.
You want to come down these stairs or you want to go up the road? All right. Bring you guys back down to the real world. Eye level. How you doing, Mom? Want to go out on the docks?
Sure.
Moorage, dogs, no dogs running bikes.
No, nothing.
No, nothing. You're not allowed to do anything. Very interesting. I guess it's a swim area?
I was just wondering that. You can't moor on it. Yeah, and they got ladders coming up, so it must be a swim area. We have to keep 2 meters apart. We can fall in the water.
Yeah, lots of great vacation. Any good? Ah. Good luck to you. bunch of bugs flying around my head right now. Ugh. Go away. Yeah, there's a nice little kids park over there off the beach. Kind of neat. Well, if this is a race, Ma won. You're off to the races, Ma.
See all those kids come for their lunch?
Well, that's the beach around here. Do you have any other places you would like to explore around here? Or?
I think that's about it for the beach.
Well, there you go, guys. That is Cultus Lake Beach, out in Cultus Lake, BC. Hope you enjoyed that. And Ma's got more pressing. You know, she's a very busy woman. She's got all her fans saying hi to her and everything like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be doing some more walks with Ma. I think we're gonna take a look at the Cultus Lake Adventure Park next.
Okay, let's do that now.
All right, so bye. See, she's got too many fans. Who knew?